I'm Mike, this is Cymarc Bike Parts. I'm here with Mark. We're just out in the Dnepr for the afternoon. Thought it'd be a good time to tell you about a couple of our new products from the 3D printing machine. One of which is this new brake pedal extender for the BMW R1250 GS, and another is the new seat lowering cam bush design for the R1250 GS also. We're going to introduce them properly. Over to Mark.
As introduced in the Dnepr earlier on, we can now show you the two products in the workshop. The first product is the seat lowering cam. Now what happens here is that the hole, which is normally central in the bush, is offset by approximately 10mm, and what this does is drop the seat by about 10mm, just helping with a little bit of ground clearance. Now they're easily fitted, and it fits on like this. This is one of the first products off of our 3D printer, which Aaron has designed and manufactured himself, and we're very, very proud with it. It's a lot easier to make than the aluminium ones, and it fits on very, very well. So to fit it, it's just very, very simple, and it fits in like that. You replace the seat, and it takes the seat closer to the ground, helping with paddling the bike about in the car park, on gravel, or anything where you need to be a little bit closer to the ground. And this is the second product which Aaron has personally designed and manufactured on our 3D printer. It's an excellent bit of kit, and it's the brake pedal extender. Now this features a very good, durable, heavy tread on the top, and also a channel around the outside of it, which allows it to locate perfectly into the brake pedal itself. And it's all held in place by a sturdy 2mm thick stainless steel plate, which fits underneath the brake pedal itself. It's easy to fit. We also do it in red. I've got the red one fitted to my bike because it looks so good, and as you can see, it's down here fitted, and it looks very, very nice and neat indeed. Indeed, it does a fantastic job. I'm going to leave mine on because it's that good. So, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Two latest products, or the two first products, Aaron has managed to print